we have finally made it. Finally on the flight for the adventure of a lifetime, and I cannot wait to see what the mountains have to offer. Still cannot get over this place, dude, and how amazing it looks.
Simplest way to enjoy is to take it easy. Alright, lots to see.
And as we landed today, I just have to chill. Like, those are the strict instructions, just chill to get used to this high altitude and of course lower oxygen. But I at least get to do this.
Day 1 Himalayan adventure. We're in Leh right now. We're off to Dras today.
After 2 days of acclimatization in Leh and roaming around the market, chilling with the locals, chilling at this place with our riders, getting to know everyone.
Finally, it's time to ride. Woohoo!
This is the second Royal Enfield ride that is going to Zanskar region. The first one was Himalayan Explore, which happened back in 2019. This time it's Himalayan Adventure. We have amazing riders with us. Looking forward to an amazing time with them.
I have no words, and the crazy part is we are just about getting started.
We are at Fatula top, 13,479.
The twisties was just out of this world. Up till now it has been a great ride.
So hey everyone, welcome back. So we have reached our hotel, Hotel D Meadows in Dras. Tomorrow is gonna be a good day.
We go to a place called Shapat. Now this is not marked anywhere on the road or on the map, but this place is where the campsite is.
We are riding to the top of the mountain over there via this route, and then we'll go to the other side of this mountain. Wow, man.
Dras is the second most coldest inhabited place in the world, because in history once the temperature actually went down to minus 60 degrees. Now imagine that.
We took a break here for our lunch break, and there's our whole crew.
We went through a couple of passes, Manmanla and Umbala, and after about 4 hours of riding, we've got to the lunch spot and I want to show you the views from here. Two largest peaks of Ladakh, so that's Nun and Kun.
It's been a very good ride because we have very good riders along with us, and the team is also great.
We've actually been fitted with these lovely GoPro Hero 9 Blacks, which have been a blessing because while you're riding, you're on the road, you're on the move, and to be able to shoot while you're on the bike and actually get the perspective of the rider has been fantastic.
पता नहीं, नाइस जगह. हमें ये पता है कि हेवन के बहुत ज़्यादा पास है.
I still cannot believe this is where we camped at last night. So we have officially entered the Zanskar Valley.
Food was amazing, like always throughout the trip, and they took care of all our needs.
That's fine.
And so because of that, we've been so well rested and relaxed.
We've just finished breakfast in this glorious campsite. Plan is to go from here to Zangla today.
I don't think there is a better bike out there that can tackle this terrain and still stand so steady.
It's very forgiving, but it watches your back, so it's almost like a friend. That's what I think of the Himalayan.
Yesterday's road was fantastic, a really good mix of off-road, really good tarmac, some really beautiful villages, and from what they tell us, it's only going to get better, so cannot wait. I get that view like every day in my dreams. If there is a God, I think that's what he's saying. Unbelievable. What a day. So we started from Shapat and now we are in this really small village called Zangla. I think they're definitely living up to their promise that it keeps getting better every single day. For the last 13 years, I've been listening to people going on and on about, of course, the amazing landscapes, but this. And this is why I'm here. And to have it like this, it doesn't get better. So I'm going to stop talking now. I'm going to dig into this.
So today we are going from Zangla to Shingula. From what I've heard, the off-roading is more difficult from what we actually came across while reaching Zangla. That's what the fun is about, and this is the reason why we are on Himalayan adventure. So really excited.
Guess it's time I wake up, this is 7 years old. We've been 7 years cold and now it's time for summer.
This is Purne village और यहाँ का एक खास बात है जो संगम है वो एक साइड से ऊपर साइड से फुक्तल साइड से आ रहा है छिरप रिवर तो इस साइड से शिंकुला रिवर.
They've been holding us in without a place to call home. And it's all
While I'm riding here, mind is constantly saying me, don't look right, don't look right, don't look right, don't look right.
Are we going there? Yeah, we're going there.
So the mountain that you see over there, that's Gopa Ranjun. So we'll stop there for lunch and head to Shingula.
You would obviously not be mistaken if you thought that this was the grand finale, right? Like, we are here, we are finally arrived. I mean, look at this place.
The locals consider it sacred. Not like there's any temple up there, but just the mountain itself is sacred. And one look at it and you can see why.
We had to take a very hard call. Before Shinkula, the BRO is actually in full force and working on the roads, due to which the path is blocked. So we cannot actually go up till Shinkula. So we've decided to head back to Zangla for the day.
We are seeing a paved road after 12 hours. How do you feel?
Hey Bhagwan, सुन ली तूने मेरी. Thank you.
Today's destination is Photoksa. So we're just gonna start the briefing right now and we'll start moving from here another 10 to 15 minutes.
Singala is another 35 kilometers from here. So Singala is the highest mountain pass that we're crossing during Himalayan adventure Zanskar.
When I've been to places, but coming to this place, Singala, undoubtedly one of the most unique and amazing experience I've ever had.
If this guy and what he says is true, by the time we hit that place, we'll be dropping 2,500 feet. Like that. I should have been better prepared. I should have got more jackets, because yesterday I did freeze my butt off. Stories like this, it's when you're uncomfortable, those become sweet memories when you go back and you're finally in a position to just digest everything that has happened.
Now we are at our last day, day 6. We are riding back to Leh. To be honest, I will be missing this
amazing journey that I've been a part of, and I really don't want to leave.
It's raining just few kilometers before Sirsila. Look at that view.
I think that pretty much sums it all. It's been such a fantastic experience here. People are so nice, so polite, so warm. I've never felt more welcome at any other place in the world. Amazing. So here we are, after riding for more than 1,000 kilometers on unforgiving terrain. We have made it back to Leh. This ride was easily one of the toughest that I've been a part of. But that actually made it all the more memorable and fun. I know we are all going to miss Zanskar, its people, the landscape, the roads, or should I say no roads, and of course the camaraderie among the riders. But at least we will have memories to cherish forever. So until next ride, adios.